Hello, my name is Joshua Sepeda Garzon, and I am the intern coordinator for the student organization SASE. But what exactly is SASE? Well, let's get right on into that. Now, SASE is an acronym that stands for the Society of Asian Scientists and Engineers, which is a national student organization that chapters in many different colleges and universities, such as Cornell University, San Diego State University, various other UCs, and many more. Now, in particular, our chapter at UCSD was founded in 2011, and ever since then, we've been growing in membership through our various different social outreach and professional events. Now, we are very proud of our flagship event, Dining with Professionals. And if you'd like to learn a little bit more information about what Dining with Professionals is, feel free to check out our website at the end of this presentation. We now move on into our purpose and our mission statement. And our mission statement can be broken down into three different parts, which are the following: to prepare Asian heritage scientists and engineers for success in the global business world, to celebrate diversity on campuses and in the workplace, and finally, to provide opportunities for our members to make contributions to their local communities. Now, if any of these three different statements relate to you, please feel free to check us out. Now we move on into our future events that you guys can partake in so that you guys can get a little bit more information on who we are. Now, due to the current global climate, a lot of our future events for the next foreseeable quarter have been moved to online. And even though that may be the case, we still plan to host a variety of different social and professional events for you guys to partake in. We plan to host things like study jams, karaoke nights, and workshops where you guys can learn interesting skills like how to use Fusion 360 or SolidWorks to make cool 3D objects on your computers. Now, even though we would love for you to attend our events, why should you attend and why should you join in general? And there is a large list of benefits for joining SACE in general, but I'll keep this very brief. By joining SACE, you'll be a part of a larger community of fellow STEM majors here in UC San Diego that you can always reach out to whenever you're struggling through a class or when you need advice as you progress through your major. Additionally, since we are a pre-professional organization, we are dedicated to helping you develop as an individual and grow in many different ways so that you'll be better prepared for your future careers. And finally, by joining SACE, you'll be connected to a large national organization with alumni all across the globe in different industries that you may be interested in. So basically, by joining SACE, you'll be investing a large part of your future and your career just by being a member. Now, it's cool to know of the benefits of joining SACE, but how do you get involved and how do you join? Well, there are many different ways to do it, but the main way is through our intern program. We open applications to our unique intern program at the beginning of every year, and those who are accepted get to shadow members of the board. As interns, they learn their mentors' duties and pick up on important skills, whether it be how to make the best event banner to post on Facebook or the best way to contact industry professionals. It allows students to learn important skills that will be useful not just during their time here at UCSD, but in the real world, in addition to providing a community on campus and a group of mentors. If the intern program does not interest you, however, you can still be a part of SACE by just attending our events. Whether you come to one or all of our events, you are always welcome here at SACE. So that's it. How do you get involved? That's how you do it. But when you attend our events, who will you be seeing most of the time? Well, let me introduce you to just a couple of the board members that you'll be seeing a lot more often as you attend our events. First off, we have this man right here, which is Rafael Matrigan, who is a fourth-year structural engineer major with a focus in civil engineering. He's the current president of SACE. And a little fun fact about him, he absolutely loves League of Legends. So if you ever want to like hit him up to play a game with him, or you just want to learn more about him as a civil engineer major, or just to get to know about his passion for SACE, please feel free to hit this guy up. Another person you may be seeing a lot more is this guy, Francis Dolero. He is a third-year aerospace engineer, and he is our current external vice president. A little fun fact about him, he absolutely loves music, and he loves Maroon 5 in particular. So if you want to like talk about his musical taste and just talk to him about Maroon 5, or just to talk to him about space in general, because he really loves aerospace engineering, please feel free to talk to him. Another person you'll see a lot often is Elton Ho. Elton Ho is a third-year computer science major who is also our current internal vice president. And a little fun fact about him, he loves K-pop and he absolutely loves learning the dances to certain K-pop groups. If you ever want to talk to him or just ask him to just perform a little bit of what he can do, please feel free to hit this guy up and just be overall, he loves being sociable. So you'll always have a good conversation with him. And finally, you'll be seeing a lot of me, Joshua Seth Vida Garzone. I am currently a third-year applied mathematics major, and I am the current intern coordinator. A little fun fact about me, I perform magic on the side. So if you want to see some cool magic tricks, or if you just want to know how to get involved with SASE in general, I'd love to sit down and have a conversation with you. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you want to find out more information on who we are and just find out more information on us in general, you can contact us through these 4 different medias. You can check out our Facebook page and just keep up to date with our events. You can check our newly designed website to keep updated and just overall explore the different events that we have planned for the foreseeable future. You can email us with any questions that you may have, or you can even check out our Instagram and just take a look at the progress and how much fun we have together. Thank you very much for listening to my presentation, and I hope to see you at a lot of our different events. My name is Joshua Garzone, and we hope to see you at different SASE events. Have a good day, everybody.